My dear researchers, we are looking how the management thought has been developed over the thousands of years and how those contributions of the scholars and philosophers help the societies and the cities and the governance structures of the organizations and the countries have evolved over a period of time. We will look today in the philosophy of Greeks and how it was being implemented in the Roman Empire. अच्छा, आप ये कहेंगे दोनों का आपस में क्या ताल्लुक है? फिलॉसफी ग्रीक की है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रोमन्स की है. उसकी वजह ये है कि ग्रीक एज ए नेशन given a very excellent contribution to the Western tradition as far as their philosophy is concerned. Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, Xenophon, many names you will see as far as the scholarly contribution is concerned, as far as their writings are concerned. लेकिन उसकी प्रैक्टिस जो है वो आपको फिर रोमन एम्पायर में नजर आएगी. वैसे भी ग्रीक और रोमन साथ साथ मिली हुई कंट्रीज हैं, लेकिन रोमन एम्पायर तो फॉर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स इट वाज रूलिंग ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सो लेट्स लुक देन as far as the philosophy is concerned, and these few names we are talking, how it has influenced the Western tradition. Pre-Socrates Greek philosophers, सुकरात से पहले के जितने philosophers हैं यूनानी, they were more focused in their teachings on the management of agriculture states. Remember, it was agriculture economy. It was rural economy. So things were being related to a city, and the production is more related to the farm and the field. उस वक्त को ज़हन में लाइए ना. हम बात कर रहे हैं ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम से, उनकी पैदाइश से भी तकरीबन 400-450 साल पहले की एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी. प्लेटो और ज़ेनोफोन, इन दोनों का नाम याद रखिए. प्लेटो का नाम तो आपने सुना भी होगा, मशहूर है. ज़ेनोफोन, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस ये है, तकरीबन मिलते जुलते टाइम के अंदर ये दोनों फिलोसोफर मौजूद थे. प्लेटो टॉक्स अबाउट थ्योरी, ज़ेनोफोन गिव्स मोर इंपॉर्टेंस टू द प्रैक्टिस. इसलिए थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिस दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. दे both of them presented administration and management principles from the theoretical and practical viewpoint. Plato talks about in his writings and contributions about the concepts, about the ideas, how the city should be run. उस जमाने में सिटी गवर्नमेंट हुआ करती थी. नेशन स्टेट एज सच इतना बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था. सो यू टॉकिंग अबाउट गवर्नेंस of Athens, governance of Roma, governance of Florence, governance of Alexandria. So these were the cities of which they are talking about, that how theory should be dealt with and how the concept should be practiced. So Xenophon talks about in his writings how to do things. Plato talks about things in terms of abstract ideas and concepts and theories. As far as Plato is concerned, he is still very influential in the Western tradition. Plato की जो writing है, Republic identifies the perfect form of the governance of a city. देखिए, मैंने आपसे शेयर किया था कि in those days, structure and the management and the administration and the resources of a city are being dealt with. How it should be taken care of. And it was, of course, the model of a city governance given by Plato, which was used later by the Roman Empire to run the cities. All cities where the Roman was holding their government, was taking care of the resources, was planning to capture the land through the military of the Roman army. Plato was a political as well as a social radical philosopher. whose mentor Socrates was executed. मैं इस तफसील में नहीं जाना चाहता, लेकिन ये कि ये आप ज़हन में रखिए कि Greek was a more philosophical society, and Plato was giving novel ideas, and city exists to satisfy the needs as far as Plato is concerned. Needs of the people should be fulfilled, and it is the duty of the city government. Needs are met by sharing and exchanging of goods and labor. बड़ा important concept है जो बाद में आदम स्मिथ ने इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर इस कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज किया. क्या कह रहा है प्लेटो? कि नीड्स आर मेट बाय एक्सचेंजिंग एंड शेयरिंग ऑफ लेबर एंड गुड्स. कोई लेबर दे रहा है सिटी में, कोई गुड्स प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, एंड गुड्स एंड लेबर आर बीइंग एक्सचेंज. Justice must be at the heart of administration. Unlike Confucius, Plato never held any office. Confucius was a courtier in the court of the king. Plato was just a philosopher. Xenophon, he wrote Anabasis, and it was widely read and admired by the Roman military, especially the Julius Caesar. Because remember, I said commands were being given, and Julius Caesar, well known, of course, all the Roman Empire kings were known as Caesar. Like Julius Caesar, well known in the Roman history, he emphasized and practiced what was being said by Xenophon.